Hello and welcome to the Xone 96 instructional video. My name is SpinnZinn and I'm the DJ product specialist here at Allen & Heath. In this video, you will learn about the Xone 96's MIDI capabilities. The Xone 96 has the ability to both send and receive MIDI data with a total of 31 MIDI-enabled controls, consisting of 19 different buttons, 5 faders, and 7 rotary switches, which can be assigned as controls to any software capable of receiving MIDI. The default MIDI channel for the 96's onboard controls is MIDI channel 16. You can change this channel by a very simple power on sequence. When powering on the mixer, hold down the MIDI 1 and 2 buttons. You will notice when you do so that the Q, high pass filter, and filter 1 and 2 lights begin to blink slowly. This is to let you know the mixer is now in MIDI channel select mode. The top row of Q and high pass filter buttons correspond to MIDI channels 1 through 8. Hitting filter 2 gives you access to MIDI channels 9 through 16. After the Q or high pass filter button is set to select the channel you wish to use, you will see the LEDs do a little dance to indicate that the MIDI channel has been set. Sending the mixer's controls via MIDI to your computer can be used to control software such as Ableton or Traktor, or expand your DJ performances by linking it to VJ software such as Resolume, whereby your fader and button movements can be used to affect live video output in real time. The 96 also comes equipped with a 5-pin MIDI DIN port. This port will send out any MIDI data from both the mixer itself and any computer connected via USB cable. This is great for sending out MIDI clock and notes to external drum machines or synthesizers, such as this boutique Roland TR-08. Simply connect a 5-pin MIDI cable to your device's MIDI in port, and the other end of the cable to the 96 MIDI port. Next, ensure that MIDI 1 and 2 buttons are enabled depending on which port you've connected your computer, and this will allow the mixer to pass through any MIDI data coming from the computer. The 96 will merge MIDI data together if you have 2 computers connected, which both need access to the MIDI port. Next, ensure that your software is correctly configured to send MIDI data to the 96. In this example, I have Ableton configured to send MIDI clock out of the Xone 96. So when I hit Start on Ableton, we can hear that the drum machine is in sync. You will notice 2 MIDI devices appear when you connect it to your computer. One labeled MIDI 1 or 2, depending on which port you've connected your computer, and the other labeled Partner. This is a unique feature to the 96, which allows you to send MIDI data from one computer to another when 2 laptops are connected. Just think about how this could be used to enhance a live performance, where one computer is able to change effects or VST parameters on another computer. Finally, we've also included our Xlink Connection, which allows you to connect multiple K-series controllers via Ethernet cable, saving you from having to use up your precious USB ports. Simply connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the output of your K2 controller and the other end to the Xlink port on the 96. You can also add multiple K2 controllers by daisy chaining them, connecting the output of the next controller into the input of the previous controller. We hope you found this video informative and you've learned about the 96's MIDI capabilities. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use the MIDI capabilities to enhance and improve your performance.